Hi there, and welcome to this Billingbooth One tutorial, which is part of our Getting Started series. In this video, we'll go over 2 ways to add your customers to the Billingbooth One platform. First, click the Customers icon in the side navigation, and then Customers in the submenu. This takes you to the Customer Listing screen. As you can see, on this demo account, we've already got some customers added in. At the top right of the screen, you have 2 options to add more customers to your Billingbooth One account: Create and Import. Create allows you to add a singular customer to the platform, whereas Import allows you to bulk add customers. Let's go through the Create screen and explore some of the available fields. The Create Customer screen is comprised of 4 steps. For this first step, Customer Information, you'll be entering some general information about the customer. Some fields of note would be Reference, where you can optionally add, say, an accountancy package reference for this customer. Tag, where you're able to add 1 or more tags to the customer. Think of them as labels for administrative purposes that can help you filter lists and reports, etc. Type of customer is also an administrative setting, although it's worth noting if you select Reseller, this will allow you to use the commissions functionality for this customer. If you specify the delivery method to be email, you will reveal another field where you can enter the desired delivery email address for this customer. You can separate email addresses by using a comma to deliver invoices to multiple email addresses. Once you're happy with the information you've entered, click the Next button to proceed to the second step, Contact Information. As you can see on this step, it is just the customer's contact information. So again, once you're happy with the information you've entered, click the Next button to proceed to the third step, Financial Details. This step features 2 fields. If the customer already has an outstanding balance with yourself, enter that amount here. You can then also stipulate how the customer regularly settles their invoices with you. Once you're happy with the information you've entered, click Next to proceed to the 4th and final step of the Create Customer wizard, Tariffs. On this step, you're able to assign up to 1 tariff per category to the customer. Simply select the tariff you wish to apply to the customer from the available list, and it will switch over to the assigned list. Once you're happy with the tariff selections, you can either choose to click Create Customer to create the customer, or Create Customer and Edit to create the customer and then head into the Customer Edit screen, where there are some extra fields now available to you if you need them. To showcase those fields, I'll go ahead and click Create Customer and Edit. On the Customer Edit screen, you'll see that the various information you filled in is now spread across the tabs at the top right. If we click on the Invoicing tab, we now have Custom Payment Terms and Custom Payment Instructions, both of which will override the global payment terms and payment instructions of the organization the customer is assigned to. You can also summarize by category, where instead of the invoice displaying individual line items per category, the line items are aggregated into 1 singular line item per category. Issue Service File will generate a CSV service file along with this customer's invoice. The service file will contain all the service charges from the invoice in a comma-separated format so it can easily be parsed. Lastly, click on the Voice Data and SMS tab at the top right. Here you can find the usage statement format option, where you designate how you want this customer to receive the itemized usage statement that is sent along with the invoice. By default, this is set to PDF. That concludes all the fields that are available to you when adding a customer to Billingbooth One. To round the video off, let's quickly take a look at how you can bulk import your customers onto the platform. Let's head back to the customer listing screen. At the top right of the customer listing screen, you have the import option. Click this to head to the import customers screen. From here, you'll first want to click the Download Customer Import Template button to download a blank customer import template. As an example, here is one I have filled out with some demo customers. Please note, the red columns indicate required information, while the rest are optional. Once you're happy you have all your customer information in the template, save it, and then either click the dotted area of the file field to browse your computer for the template file, or simply drag the template file onto the dotted area. When you're ready, click the Upload button to upload your customers into Billingbooth One. At this point, you may want to edit any customers that require you to amend anything we covered in the Edit section of this video. And with that, there are the two ways you can add your customers to Billingbooth One.